Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Dua Ali, currently working as a demonstrator in the oral biology department. Today I am going to demonstrate about the surfaces and landmarks of all the tooth surfaces, including anterior and posterior teeth. So first of all, let me tell you about how many types of teeth we have. We have anterior and posterior teeth. Anterior teeth include incisors and canines, whereas posterior teeth includes premolars and molars. Now let me come towards the surfaces of the teeth. If we talk about anterior teeth, this is the labial surface which faces towards the lips. The inner surface is the lingual surface or the palatal surface as it faces towards the palate. In the posterior teeth we have buccal surface. It is named as buccal surface because it is towards the cheeks. And similarly, the inner surface is known as the palatal surface. Now for the mandibular teeth, we have the labial surface again. The lingual surface, as here we have the structure known as tongue, so it faces towards the tongue, that's why this surface is known as lingual surface. And for the posterior teeth, the buccal surface and the lingual surface. Alright, so as I have already mentioned that we have two sets of teeth, we have anterior teeth and we have posterior teeth. In anterior teeth we have incisors and canines. How can we identify that these are incisors? Because of the straight incisal edge. The canine can be identified because of the single cusp. Now in the posterior teeth we have two sets of teeth, premolars and molars. Okay, so now let me come towards the landmarks of individual teeth. This is the incisor teeth. We have the lingual surface. As I have already mentioned that this is the surface which faces towards the palate or tongue. So in the lingual surface we have the landmark. The main landmark is this. As you can see that this is marked by the black color. So this is cingulum, which is defined as the lingual lobe of the anterior tooth. Now this surface, this whole deep depression is known as the lingual fossa. The next landmark is cusp. Cusp is the pointed elevation on the tooth surface. It is absent in the incisor because of the incisal edge. It's always present in the premolars, molars and canines. Alright, so now come towards the landmarks of the posterior teeth. In the posterior teeth we have various types of landmarks. First of all, the most important landmark are the ridges. These all are ridges. What are ridges? Ridges are basically the linear elevation on the surface of the tooth. So as we can see that here is the straight elevation on the margins, so hence named as marginal ridges. And then very important ridge is this. The ridge that starts from the cusp tip and ends in the central part of the crown. This ridge is known as the triangular ridge. When two triangular ridge of the opposite side unites, then it forms the transverse ridge. So this whole becomes the transverse ridge. So in today's videos, we have discussed about the surfaces of the teeth and all the landmarks of teeth, including anterior and posterior teeth. So I hope you have understood all about the landmarks of the teeth. Thank you.